Hey everyone, welcome back. A year ago, I embarked on the journey of creating a faceless YouTube channel. Today, it's made over $350,000 in revenue, and I've built a community of 125,000 subscribers. The crazy thing, I'm not alone in this. AI avatar channels are exploding on YouTube, drawing millions of views and generating substantial income. Just take a look at these successful channels, each one doing incredibly well. In this video, I'm about to break down my exact method for building this channel. From crafting the AI avatars to automating the entire content creation process, I'll cover everything you need to know. But here's the catch, you've got to watch until the end. Skipping over steps won't help you get results, and that's why most YouTube channels fail. Automation on YouTube is still a goldmine, but it's underutilized because people aren't putting in the necessary work. Let me share a bit of my own journey. When I first got started, I had no clear plan. I picked random niches, hoping something would work. And spoiler alert, I failed twice. But after learning from my mistakes, I finally cracked the code, and today I'm going to share that with you. Picking the right niche. The first and most critical step is choosing a profitable niche. The truth is, you don't need to invent something entirely new. Instead, you should focus on finding an existing niche that's already performing well. Head over to YouTube and see what types of content are gaining traction. AI avatar channels are popular in niches like finance, personal development, and online money making. These topics are evergreen, and there's always an audience looking for content in these areas. But here's an important tip. Avoid jumping into overcrowded niches. For example, movie recaps are dominated by big players like WatchMojo, so unless you've got massive resources, it's a tough space to break into. What you want to find are smaller channels that are still pulling in big numbers. Channels with 10,000 subscribers getting 100,000 views, that's a huge green light. That's YouTube showing their content to new viewers. Also, don't make the mistake I made before starting this channel. I once ran an animated shorts channel that went viral with millions of views, but it made me exactly $0 because it was non-monetizable. The lesson here, before you pick a niche, make sure it's a niche where you can actually monetize. Whether that's through ad revenue, digital products, or services, you need a clear plan to make money from the content you create. Creating your AI avatar. Once you've nailed down your niche, the next step is creating your avatar. This is where your channel gets its personality, and it's what makes the content stand out. The beauty of AI avatars is that they streamline the video creation process. Instead of appearing on camera yourself, you simply use your avatar to present the content. This makes producing videos much faster and more efficient. You don't need to hire graphic designers or animators to create your avatar. In fact, you can create one yourself in under 10 minutes using AI tools. The first thing you need to do is brainstorm what your character will look like. Avoid generic options. Don't just make another person sitting at a desk. Get creative and think of something unique that will make your avatar instantly recognizable to your audience. Once you have a vision, head over to ChatGPT and describe your avatar in detail. Then take that description and paste it into Leonardo AI. Once you've chosen your final design, download the image and you're ready to go. Selecting engaging video topics. You could have the best script and the slickest editing, but if the topic isn't something people want to watch, all your effort will be wasted. This is where many creators go wrong. I once posted a video with a killer script and editing, but it barely got any views because the topic didn't resonate with my audience. The key here is to research trending topics that align with both your niche and your audience's interests. Spend time studying what's going viral in your niche. Look at what's getting the most attention from similar channels, but more importantly, look for trends that resonate specifically with your audience. Let's talk about scripting. This is where most creators stumble. A bad script will result in poor engagement, no matter how good your video looks or sounds. I personally write all of my own scripts because it's an area where I've learned through trial and error. You can't afford to use bland robotic scripts written by AI. Sure, AI can help, but you need to inject personality into your scripts for them to stand out. Start by watching successful videos in your niche and study the structure of their scripts. Look for patterns in how they engage their audience, and don't be afraid to borrow ideas. Just don't copy anyone outright. I use a 3-step formula for writing engaging scripts. Hook, capture the viewer's attention in the first few seconds. Climax, build suspense and anticipation throughout the video. Resolution, deliver the promised payoff at the end. This structure keeps the viewer hooked and maximizes watch time, which is key to YouTube's algorithm. Giving your avatar a voice. Now that you've got your avatar, you need to give it a voice. No need to hire a voice actor. AI tools have advanced to the point where you can create realistic voiceovers for next to nothing.
Intense showdowns and raw competitive energy.
I personally use 11 Labs because it offers some of the most natural-sounding AI voices available. Pick a voice that matches your character's vibe, something that's unique. After you generate the voiceover, you may notice it sounds a little robotic at first, but don't worry, you can fix that quickly. Use an editing program like Premiere Pro to smooth out the pauses and overlap the clips slightly. This will make the voice sound more fluid and natural, making your avatar talk. You can make your avatar talk with just a few clicks. I recommend using platforms like DID. Upload your avatar, sync it with your voiceover, and just hit generate. You'll have your avatar reading the script and delivering your content in no time. Finding quality editors. Editing can make or break your channel, and this is where you'll need to decide whether you want to do it yourself or hire help. If you're not skilled in editing, don't stress. You can find a quality editor to help you. But here's the secret: avoid Fiverr. You're going to want to find editors with real experience, and they're often found on platforms like X, formerly Twitter. Direct message them directly, and you'll likely find some top-tier editors for your videos. The power of thumbnails. Thumbnails are critical for standing out in a crowded feed. You don't need to reinvent the wheel here. Look at other successful videos in your niche and identify patterns in their thumbnail designs. What type of images, fonts, and styles are they using? I recommend using Canva for creating your thumbnails. Start with a simple background, add your AI avatar, and make sure the text is big and bold. People need to know what your video is about in a split second. Bonus tip: add some revenue or view numbers in the background to spark curiosity. The key is clarity, monetization beyond ads. A lot of creators make the mistake of thinking ad revenue will be their primary source of income. Let me tell you, ad revenue only makes up about 20% of my earnings. The real money is in digital products. This could be templates, ebooks, or online courses, and then sell it repeatedly. One creator I know made over $1 million selling Notion templates. That's all for today. I hope this video gave you a clear roadmap to start your own Faceless AI avatar YouTube channel. Join my free community where I share even more strategies and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.